Hi, Brian Muldoon here again. Thanks for your interest in some of our upfit items that we have here at Mike Maroone Ford. Option that we offer here is tint for your vehicle. The tint is professionally installed, obviously, and also guaranteed and warranted for 3 years for 36,000 miles. This tint is generally matched to the back, or we can tint the whole vehicle like we did on this one. And then we can also do a tint bar on the top over here as well. Another option that we offer here for our vehicles is lift wheels and tires. This particular truck that we're just using for promotion has a 3.5-inch lift, also a black Rhino tire, and a Toyo Open Country wheel. A very aggressive tire. We offer all kinds of lifts, all kinds of tires, and all kinds of rims. Everything that's really on the market today. Again, professionally installed and warranted as well. Another option we offer for our customers is PPF, which is a clear mask. This clear mask is really optioned how you want it to do. It's catered to what you'd like. We can offer a PPF that goes on the whole vehicle as well, or generally what people do is maybe just an 18 inches up on the hood, down on the sides like this one shown here. The PPF also provides protection from rocks and stones and mag chloride on the road. That's why it's so popular with us. We also clear mask our mirrors, and again, underneath our what's called our cups, which are underneath our fingers here so it doesn't scratch. Another option that we offer are vehicle wraps. Wraps are generally done on vehicles that maybe for a business, or maybe for pleasure. Maybe you'd like to wrap a vehicle, maybe it's a different color you had in mind, or quite simply, maybe it's just some different protection like we have on this one. This vehicle has been wrapped all the way down, so it really provides a different tint to the car. Maybe a matte finish is what you're after. That's why wraps are so very popular in Colorado, and we do a lot of them as well. Another thing that we offer for our truck customers is a spray and bed liner. Very popular in Colorado, we do a ton of them. And when we spray our liners, everything gets sprayed. You'll see here, it's great for protection, and it's great for the weather as well, and more importantly, scratches, so they're not existent when we spray a liner. We do that here as well. Again, warranted for 3 years or 36,000 miles, and guaranteed as well. One of the other items we offer, we can do a topper. The toppers are a Lear topper for our F-150 trucks, or even our F-350 and our 250 trucks. Lear makes the topper. They're paint matched as well, so they're made to order. The topper also comes with a carpet inside, the slider windows on the outside, and you can get a rack for your bike as well. Very popular with toppers, and they do a wonderful job for us here in the state of Colorado. Some of the other items that we offer are Ford performance items, like some of the badging that we have. All these products that we do here are warranted, 3 years or 36,000 miles. If there's a problem with a bubble in a tint or a bubble in a clear mask, just let me know and we'll be more than happy to fix it here. As you can tell from our examples, we customize a lot of stuff here. If you want your vehicle customized however you want to do it, please give me a call. Brian Muldoon. I'm the Accessories Director and Personalization Manager here at Mike Maroone's Longmont Ford.